This is Obsuna Obsessions. How are you all doing? Welcome to yet another episode of Obsuna Obsession Vlog. And for today's episode, we'll be doing an unboxing. Yes, so we have two balikbayan boxes from Dubai. And I am so excited to open this. So while I am opening it, I just have to tell the story. So these are the boxes full of Bob toy or Build-A-Bear toys. Yeah. So I ordered these toys, these plushies, straight from UAE. So like they have their Facebook page called Toys for Us Unlimited. Yes, and I am very excited. So this is the Facebook page right now. I am showing it to all of you. Oh my gosh, come on. Anyway, if you are wondering what cargo company, oh come on! Oh come on! It is a box full of Pokemon plushie! Bulbasaur! Oh my god! Okay, this is Vaporeon. Look, it's a Pikachu! Okay, so I'm gonna put, okay, let me just put this yoga mat. So Pikachu, I have this Jigglypuff, and Eevee, so many. Alright, and of course, Glaceon, Meowth, so many.
Oh my gosh, ang dami.
Ang dami. All Pokemon. Alright. Ah! Yung iba, I don't know. Oh, Charmander. Charmander. Smells nice. Oh, this is the Clefairy. So you can transform it into a Pokeball and at the same time Clefairy. Wow. Oh, they have this. Okay. Oh, they have this also. Alright. Look, some of them. Dragonite. Another Glaceon. Yee! Ditto.
OMG.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is Jolton, an evolution electric type. Oh
my
wow,
God.
Buffet, and a Poliwag. This is Lycanroc. What's this? It's so cute. Alright. Oh my god, ang dami. Rotom! Oh my god, this is so nice. I have a Psyche, Espeon. This is another EV evolution, a psychic type. Clefairy! God, so dami, ang dami, promise. Ang sobrang dami. Ang dami! Ang dami! Oh! Even you!
Oh, look, baby.
Ang ganda, ang dami. Oh, there... Ay, ang laki! Wow! Ang laki niya! So, another evolution, fire type, Flareon.
Oh my god.
Rowlet! Oh my god, there's another Pikachu here! Pika! So, look. Alam mo na, look. Squirtle! Oh, this is so cute. Squirtle.
This is cute. It's
Squirtle.
small.
Ang dami! Ay! This is Lycanroc. Litten. Oh, this is one of my favorite. Alapros! Yoo-hoo!
Oh my god.
Alickitung? What? Ang dami, guys. Ang dami. And another Flareon, guys. Another Flareon. Ang dami. Grabe. This is not included. Which one is this?
Look, ano siya?
This is not Raichu. Is this Raichu?
No, pero Pokemon din siya.
Oh, Mariel! Yoo-hoo! Water type Pokemon.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ang dami. Grabe, grabe. Another Charmander. Yahoo! Okay. Oh, this is Raichu. This is Raichu. Yay! Ang dami, guys.
Sino yan?
Oh, this is Glaceon. Another evolution. Evolution. Oh, this is a toy.
Oh, that's cute. Oh,
Okay, catch.
Yay! Ah!
Malinis naman daw yun yan.
Wow!
Oh, look! Pokemon!
Wait, I like this one kasi it's,
Oh, there is a fairy evolution! Yahoo!
Oh my God.
Fairy one.
Super dami.
Ang dami, grabe.
Saan natin yan itatag?
Oh, there's also a Pikachu wallet. Thank you so much, Ate Elena. Thank you so much. Toys for Us Unlimited. Ang dami, grabe. Sobrang dami. Wow, this is looking so cute. All Pokemon. Oh, wow. Alright,
Oh my
so
God.
I think there you have it. Let me open the other box. Let me open the other box. So there are some more items from inside still, but later on I'm gonna show you. So the forwarding cargo company that we have used is the ABC Cargo Company. It's an air cargo. It took only like hardly 7 days, or yeah, hardly 7 days before it get delivered here, straight from Dubai. All right, straight from Dubai, and they were the one who will pack everything in. But there are some rules to follow, like they are not allowing some liquid items. You know, those who are battery operated items, they are not also allowing that. So sadly, we're not able to get what we need. Yeah. Alright. Actually, some of the items here, we asked our friend to buy for us. And mostly, these are like the basic needs that we can get from day to day. You know, if here in US, we have Dollar Tree. In Dubai, day to day is the place to be. You know what I'm saying? Oh gosh. So it's from day to day. Yeah, mostly
they
the
like that.
yeah, the winter clothes for the baby and all. We have this photocopy paper. Don't understand. What else? We have the vitamin C Everyday Center from Sharjah, UAE. What is this? Oh, a mask, disposable mask. And we have so many souvenirs from Dubai. We have this.
Yay!
Oh, mahal to dito sa US. Thank you so much. What is this? Nagpabili ka ba nito?
Yes.
Ano ba
Ay,
ito?
kinuha yung sealant.
Ay, ganon.
Inuupan nila talaga sa customs.
So, like... okay. So, inopen siya.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So, cable ties, another mask, another Pokemon find! Oh, Livion, another evolution! Yay! Oh, meron pa din pala dito. And then, face towel. What is this? A bed sheet. A balloon pump. Another face mask. Oh, Snorlax! Wow, this is cute. This is cute. Oh, look. Para siyang ano?
Ang dami pa din.
Hindi, mga maliliit. No? Oh, this is a photo paper. Again, souvenir from Dubai. Look, from day to day, nakarating dito sa US. Look. My God, day to day. At ang daming damit ni Dexby. Yes. Ang daming damit ni Dexby boy.
Wow!
Oh my
look
God,
at
ang daming
that.
damit. Ang daming damit. Yes.
Yay!
Tsaka mga socks. Kasi ang mahal dito nito, sobrang mahal, guys.
Yay!
Sobrang mahal. Okay. Ang dami pa, napapagod na ako. Oh, look at the socks. Or another here. Kaya naman pala ang mahal. Ang dami, grabe, sobrang dami. Ang dami. Sobrang dami. Okay, here are...
Placemat.
Placemat. Okay, placemat. Uy, ang dami niyang binili. Very good.
Oh, wow.
Very
Ang
good.
clothes
Very
pictures
good, very good,
na
very good. Ang dami. Oh, what's this? Double-sided tape. Wow. Dami. Uy, ang dami talaga. What's this? Another cable tie. Ano ba? Magtatayo ka ba ng construction? Ba't ang dami? Oy, Pokemon. Another face mask. Thank you sa face mask. Kasi mahal dito yung face mask sa $1. Oh, alam nyo na mga ibibigay namin sa Pasko. Ay, ano ba to? Bakit ang dami? Ba't ang
Ay, ang dami binili ni ate.
Ba't ang dami mong photo paper?
Uy, hindi naman ako nagsabi ng madami.
Ba't parang nagreklamo pa tayo, di ba? Ito pa, ang dami.
Oh my God, that's so nice. Para makapag-print tayo ng pictures ni That's Sweet.
Ang dami.
Mag-print tayo ng pictures ni That's
Oh,
Sweet.
ang dami siya. Oh,
Ah,
sobrang
I love it.
What's this? Waist support. Ah, this is the talking cactus.
Yay!
This is
There's
the
a
talking
talking
cactus.
cactus.
Talking cactus. Talking
I like
cactus.
that one na.
Ang dami pa nito. Ba't kami ganito?
Oo, kasi
Mahal ba yan?
magpapakargo tayo.
Ano to?
Ano yan? Ay, bumili si ate pang plants.
Plants.
Pang
Okay.
plantita. Thank you, ate.
Okay, mga
Ay,
mask. Daming mask.
Share ba?
Daming mask. Okay, another bed sheet. Ah, may paganito pa, oh.
Ay, nakahanap si ate. Thank you.
Towel. Ba't ang daming towel? So, I'm so happy kasi, ay, ba't may ganito?
Ano yan?
ID.
Nagpabili tayo ID.
For what?
SSN, mga...
Talaga? Uy, ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Ang mahal nito dito. So, alam nyo na. Very good. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda nito. Sobrang ganda nito.
Keychain, ha?
Ay, may ganito, oh.
Ay, wow!
Sa pang-mobile. Yay! Thank you so much. Spoiled naman tayo kay ate. Grabe. And 95. Another damit. Dami mong damit, Oh, what is this? Oh, Christmas lights. Christmas light. Ano to Christmas light?
Battery operated din.
Battery operated. Okay. Oh, another damit. Oh, wow.
Ayan, pang winter. Yeah.
Oh, kasi ang mahal ng ng damit dito. Oh, mga sando-sanduhan lang. Magkano ba to? Tingnan natin. 11. 11. $11. I mean, 11 dirham. Uy, meron pa.
Ay, wow! Look at that, ang dami to.
Ano to? Bakit may ganito?
Ano siya?
Shurak.
Shurak, yes. Yan kasi yung matibay na shurak.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
May lalagyan ng Pokemon.
Pokemon. Actually, plants nga gusto ko lagay lang.
Okay. Grabe, $20. $20
I think
dirham.
that's good for your shoes kasi ang dami mong shoes.
And what are you gonna do doon?
Shoes pa din. Dito na siya sa ilalim. Sa kabila.
Huh?
Ang dami mo shoes. Nakita mo ba?
Okay. Ang dami nito.
Ay, ang dami bilhin ni ate.
And this. Later.
Bigyan natin kila Riza.
Ang dami guys. Sobrang dami.
Bigyan natin kay Tito Riza.
Ang daming towel. Ba't ang daming towel? Ito nabasahan and everything. Oh my God, ito yung day-to-day, oh. This is the day-to-day.
Where's your toy? Where's the toy?
Uy, ang daming toy.
Ay, wow. Ano yung isa?
Ano to? Parang neck pillow.
Ay, nag-support sa car seat. Oh my gosh, thank you, ate.
Oh, wow. May neck support. Thank you, Beshi. Wow. Paano mo ito ibabalik? Ang dami.
Mas
And 95. Another rug. Alam niyo yung mga ganito dito sa US, mahal na to. So, $5 to. Magkano lang to? 10 dirham, di ba? So,
ang laki pala niyan.
pwede na sa mga
It's good
saban.
for body.
Okay, what's this? Ay, ang dami. Grabe, laminating pouch.
Ay, yung lamin.
Pang laminate.
Okay.
What is this? Ito yun sa sa Miniso. And then we have fleece blanket.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's
Pang winter,
nice.
yay! And then we have another fleece blanket inside. Ano to? Socks. Ang dami, guys. Ayun lang. So, fleece blanket and all.
Isa pang box.
Nakakatuwa. What's this? Oh. Ngayon, dito sa isa pang box, meron pa din siya. Ito siguro yung bigay ni ate.
Yes. Sabihin siya.
Wow, yung pang waiter ni Dex. Talaga naman, ha? Ano to? Wow!
Yay! Oh my God.
Ano
I'm
to?
so happy. Yan yung pang rice bowl and everything.
Mga utensils. Okay. Sige, lagay natin dito. Pakita natin sa kanila. What's this? Oh, tea candle. Tea light candle. Mura lang to. Hindi mahal. Ano pa? Ano to? Oh, ni Cart. Ay! Meron sa akin something. Picturean mo nga ako. Pakita ko kay Ate Elena. Sige, kakat ko naman yan. Ready? Uy, talaga, nagbigay yung beshi ko. Grabe, sobrang love talaga ako niya. Ay, grabe. Sige, mamaya ako na isi-send. Tapusin natin to. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang dami. Tapos yung mga ipit-ipit.
Magaling mamili si Ate Elena. I love it.
And then, iron
Yung isang box
cover.
pala yung gusto ko.
And then we have this.
Oy, ang cute
this is
siya.
nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Oh, wow. Pangginaw. Akala siguro na talaga nag-yellow dito.
Hindi. Talaga.
Oh, look. It's a Pokeball. Ang ganda. Wow. Ang dami. Ang dami ng Pokemon. Ayun lang. Ang dami pa dito. Mga tapes. Mga... what's this? Mga hook. Mga ganito. Parang I need this one.
Yeah.
Sa school. So siguro, kailangan namin ng sword. Meron pang ganito. Parang,
Ay, ang laki.
siguro sabi niya na ano.
Pang.
What's this? Oh, my boxer shorts. Boxer shorts nga. Literal na boxer shorts. Okay, sige. I'm gonna use this. Okay. What's this?
Dex pa din.
Ay, kay Dex pa din. Ay, ang ganda. Ang laki. Haha.
Oh, ang galing ni Ate Elena mamili.
Bias.
I love it.
Bias sa daddy. Ay, ang ganda nito ah.
Yay! Ang dami yung winter.
Ang daming damit ni Dex ah. Ito oh, yes. Ang gaganda din talaga pala sa day-to-day. No?
Yes. At ang galing mamili ni Ate Elena.
Ang dami pa oh, mga ganito. And then what? What's this? Apron! Yay! Finally may apron kami. Kitchen apron. What's this? Ano to?
Ano yan?
Lint? Lint? Laki ah. And then we have this paper towel.
Hand towel.
Hand towels sa kitchen. Ito maganda sa banyo. Finally.
May nakadikit sa glue gun.
Finally, doormat. Finally, maayos na yung banyo natin. And then, ayun lang. Marami pa dito. Mga ganto-ganto na lang. Alright. Ay, ang saya.
Happy din.
So, the next step that we'll do is to sort. Okay? And then keep. And then clean. So, medyo tedious yan. Thank you so much for hanging around with me. And another vlog, I'm gonna be showing you all my Pokemon collections. Especially with all this plushie. Thank you so much. This has been your Obsuna.